Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Beres Hammond has kicked off his summer 2019 never-ending tour. The tour has so far seen Beres making his first stop in Connecticut. The tour, which started last Saturday, will continue with shows throughout the East Coast with stops in Baltimore, Cincinnati, Chicago, Boston, Toronto, Brooklyn, Orlando and Fort Lauderdale in Florida, among others. The tour was named after his 2018 album Never Ending, which earned Hammond his third #1 album on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The album features 14 songs about love and life in collaboration with longtime recording studio partners Willie Lindo, Kirk Bennett, Handel Tucker, Dean Fraser, and Robbie Lynn, among others. Never Ending was preceded by One Love, One Life, released back in 2012, and A Moment in Time, released in 2008. Over the span of his 3-decade career, the legend has obtained 8 top 10 hits on the Billboard Reggae chart, including In Control, Love from a Distance, A Day in the Life, Music is Life, and the Ultimate Collection, Beres Hammond. Reggae Ambassadors Third World will be releasing their 22nd studio album titled More Work to Be Done. The album is produced by multi-Grammy Award-winning artist and producer Damon Jr. Gong Marley, and will feature artists such as Chronix and Horace Riley, Busy Signal, Pressure Bus Pipe, Tassan Shin, and Marley himself. More Work to Be Done consists of 11 tracks. On Friday, Third World released their single featuring Chronix titled Na Na Na. The 6-member band made their debut traveling in 1975 as an opening act for Bob Marley and the Wailers on their world tour. The band has since released 21 studio albums to date and has become one of the most respected and influential reggae groups of all time. More Work to Be Done ranges from traditional to contemporary roots reggae, lovers rock, jazz-infused rhythms to heavy-hitting dancehall with driving bass. The album will be released on August 16 on CD, cassette tape, and vinyl. Get your copy. Now onto the international scene, where American country rapper Lil Nas X's massive hit track Old Town Road has created history, becoming the longest-running #1 song on the Billboard Hot 100 chart. The single has spent 17 weeks atop the chart, breaking the previous record of 16 weeks shared by One Sweet Day, Mariah Carey and Boyz II Men, and Despacito by Louis Fonsi, Daddy Yankee, and Justin Bieber. Mariah Carey recently shared this photo passing the torch to Lil Nas X for breaking the longest-running record in history. Old Town Road first reached #1 back in April. He later teamed up with Billy Ray Cyrus to create the much-loved remix of the track. Old Town Road has also received additional remixes from Diplo, Young Thug, and Mason Ramsey, and RM of rising Korean pop band BTS. I'm gonna take my hope down the... That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.